Every month, most of us spend money on one thing without even thinking twice about it, our mobile plan. But in 2026, with data-heavy usage, OTT bundles, and unlimited calls, and rising mobile recharge prices as well, one question matters more than ever. Should you be using prepaid or postpaid? Which one actually saves more money? And more importantly, which one makes more sense for your lifestyle? Let's break it down simply. At the core, the difference is simple. With prepaid, you pay first and use later. You recharge your mobile number with a fixed plan and validity. With postpaid, you use the services first and receive a bill at the end of the month. Sounds straightforward, but the real difference shows up in how people actually use their phones in 2026. Because today, your mobile plan isn't just about calls anymore. It includes daily data usage, OTT subscriptions, international roaming, family connections, hotspot usage, and sometimes even device benefits. So better option depends entirely on your usage pattern. For most individual users, prepaid still remains the more budget-friendly option. Why? Because it gives you complete spending control. You recharge your mobile number only when needed, choose plans based on your usage, and avoid surprise monthly bills. If your monthly data usage is moderate, or if you mostly use Wi-Fi at home or work, prepaid plans can easily help you save more money over time. Another advantage, flexibility. You can switch plans anytime depending upon your data needs, travel, budget, or short-term offers. And with Paytm, recharging prepaid numbers is quick and convenient. You can compare plans, recharge instantly, and even access cashbacks or offer-based savings directly through the app. Now here's where postpaid starts making sense. If you're someone who constantly runs out of data, uses hotspot heavily, travels frequently, or manages multiple family connections, then postpaid can actually offer better value. Many postpaid plans today include higher or rollover data, OTT subscriptions, international roaming benefits, family add-on connections, and priority customer support. So while the monthly bill may look more expensive initially, the combined value can sometimes be better than managing multiple prepaid recharges separately, especially for families or heavy users. And if you are on postpaid, Paytm also lets you pay your mobile bill easily every month without missing due dates. Honestly, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. If your priority is budget control, lower monthly spending, flexible mobile recharge options, then prepaid is usually the smarter choice. But if your priority is convenience, high data usage, family plans, bundled benefits, then postpaid can deliver better overall value. The smarter thing you can do in 2026 is not blindly pick a plan category. It's choosing a plan based on how you actually use your phone. Whether you use prepaid or postpaid, Paytm makes both easy to manage in one place. You can recharge your prepaid mobile number instantly, explore available plans, or pay your postpaid bill securely in just a few taps. So before your next mobile recharge or bill payment, compare what you're actually paying for, because the right plan can save you a lot more than you think. And subscribe to Paytm YouTube channel for more simple tech, payment, and money saving guides.